info@yourdomain.com. For that, you need to have access to the cPanel of your website, for which you can approach to your hosting provider, and from there you can get the username and password for the cPanel of your website. So how you can access the cPanel of your website? You have to enter the address of your website in the address bar of your browser, and then you have to place a slash, and then you have to type cPanel and simply press the enter key on your keyboard. You will see a page like this. Here you have to enter the username and password which your hosting provider gives you, and then you have to click on login. Let me show you. Once you are logged in, you will be able to see all these options in the cPanel of your website, and don't get puzzled if you see something else, because there can be some another theme in the cPanel of your website, but all the options out there are going to be same. So if you find a search bar here, simply type email and you will be able to access this option like this, email accounts. Else what you can do, you can scroll down and you can manually find this option in email accounts. So click on it. After getting into email accounts, you will see this option, add email account. Okay, I already have added 3 email IDs here, and it completely depends on your hosting provider that how much email account, web email accounts you can add to your website. So make sure you get confirmation from your hosting provider. So let me show you how you can create a new webmail based on your domain. After getting here you have to type the prefix which you want to add before your domain name. Okay, like if you want to create a webmail info@yourdomain.com, then you have to type here info. Else you can add your name, you can add admin, whatsoever you want to. So I am typing here inquiry. So after adding the prefix to your domain name for which you want to create a webmail, you have to enter the password. You can manually type the password, or else you can use this option, password generator. I'm going to use this, so I'm pressing here. You can see here this password. Make sure you copy this, because if you forget this, you will not be able to access this webmail account, or you will not be able to set up this webmail account into your Microsoft Outlook. I'm going to show you later in another video how you can add this to your Microsoft Outlook and how you can access this webmail directly from there. So once you have copied, click on this, and then you have to press here use password, and then you have to enter the mailbox quota. Now once again, this completely depends on your hosting provider that how much quota you can enter here, and then you have to click on create account. Once you will click on this, then this is going to be added here like this. So you can see here inquiry@webunicorn.com, which we have added right now. So how you will access this? Click on more and click on access webmail. You will be able to access this from here like this. Let it open here. It will take some time. You can see here. You may also get another option where you have to select between 2 to 3 types of access mail options. So you can choose any of those. I already have selected this round cube by default, so I'm getting this option, but you may get another option from where you have to select one option to access the webmail. Here you can see this option, inbox, draft, sent, junk, and from here you can compose your mails. So this is how you will create a webmail. So let me show you something else also. Here you can see this option just in front of this, inquiry@webunicorn.com. Set up mail client. When you will click on this, you will get all the settings, all the options for setting up your webmail account in Microsoft Outlook or somewhere else, so that you can directly access this from those applications. So once again, I'm going back to the home, and here if I type email, and you will click on this email accounts, and you will scroll down, you can find these emails added here like this. You can also delete from here. You can change the password whenever you required.